Hello everyone, welcome back to GK Today. I am Palak Khandelwal. Today we are discussing the top MCQ which are related to the banking, economy and finance current affairs of 19th of April 2022. So this series is beneficial for all banking exam aspirants. Okay, so now question number 1. Which state government will implement the Him Prahari plan for ex-servicemen and young people? So the correct answer of this question is option C, that is Himachal Pradesh. So the government of Uttarakhand is set to implement the Him Prahari scheme, which is meant for ex-servicemen and youngster. So the government is seeking the cooperation of the union government to implement the scheme in area bordering the Uttarakhand. So the scheme will also prioritize setting ex-servicemen in area bordering in the state. Okay, so now question number 2. In its biannual South Asian Economic Focus report, the World Bank has decreased India's GDP growth prediction for fiscal year 2022 and 2023 by what percentage? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is 8%. So the World Bank has slashed the GDP growth forecast for India in financial year 2022 to 2023 to 8% in its biannual South Asia Economic Focus report due to the negative impact of the war in Ukraine on financial year 23 growth. So earlierly in January 2022, the growth forecast for financial year 23 is estimated at 8.7%. Okay, so now question number 3. In addition to 126 cities in 14 states and union territories, which ministry has started the SVANidhi C Samriddhi program? So, the correct answer of this question is option B, that is Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. So, in presence of senior officials from state and union territories and several central ministry, Shri Manoj Joshi, who is the Secretary of Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, launched the SVANidhi C Samriddhi program in an addition 126 cities across 14 state and union territories. Okay, so now question number 4. Arya is related to. So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is agriculture. So the government has introduced new scheme attracting and retaining youth in agriculture so that rural youth may get attracted towards the farming to curb rural migration. So the purpose is to establish economic models for youth in the village so that youth can attract in agriculture and overall rural situation is improved. So Arya AG, an integrated grain commerce platform, has joined the United Nations Global Compact India, voluntarily adhering to the Universal Sustainability Principles and taking action to support the UN Sustainable Development Goals. Okay, so now question number 5. During the fiscal year 2021 to 2022, that is financial year 2022, India's agriculture product exports surpassed how many $billion for the first time? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is USD 50 billion. So the export of agriculture products from surpasses the USD 50 billion mark for the first time during the financial year 2021 to 2022, owing to significant growth in sugar, rice, wheat and other cereal exports. So the Directorate General of Commercial Intelligence and Statistics and Ministry of Commerce and Industry has released provisional figures stating that agriculture export rose to USD 50.21 billion in 2021 to 2022, which is 19.92% grant in 8 schools in the state. Okay, so now question number 6. Which bank has made the positive pay system mandatory for check payment of rupees 10 lakh and above? So the correct answer of this question is option C, that is Punjab National Bank. So the Punjab National Bank has implemented the positive pay system being compulsory for check payment worth rupees 10 lakh and above. So this being done as a move to protect its over 180 billion customer from any security threats. So the bank has announced to make the positive pay system mandatory last month and the same has been implemented. So under the new system, the high value check worth rupees 10 lakh and above will be cleared using the PPS after reconfirmation with the issuer of the check. Okay, so now question number 7. Which bank has been named the best performing bank in SHG Linkage by DAY-NRLM? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is HDFC Bank. So the HDFC Bank Limited has been adjudged best performing bank in the self-help group linkage by National Rural Livelihood Mission under the Deen Dayal Yojana and National Rural Livelihood Mission. So the Ministry of Rural Development and Government of India at the event organized the Vidya Bhavan in New Delhi. So basically the HDFC Bank is the only private bank to be honored with the award of their contribution in self-help group by National Rural Livelihood Mission. Okay, so now question number 8. How long has it been since National Agriculture Market, also known as E-NAM, has completed? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is 6 years. So E-NAM marks the 6th anniversary of the National Agriculture Market, a pan-India electronic trade network to ease online trade of agriculture commodities. The flagship program incorporates physical wholesale, mandis and market from several state and union territories. So the small farmers agribusiness custodian is implemented E-NAM, which was launched on April 14 in year 2016 by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. So it is completed funded by the central government. Okay, so now question number 9. Which bank recently acquired a 12.19% stake in Paysprint Pvt Ltd? So the correct answer of this option A, that is Fino Payment Bank. So the Fino Payment Bank announced that its board of directors has approved a 12.19% minority strategic investment in New Delhi-based fintech Paysprint Pvt Ltd. So the Fino Payment Bank is making its first strategic investment since becoming public. So this is the additional to the bank's Fino 2.0 project, which include many internal programs aimed at creating a digital ecosystem for its customer. Okay, so now last question. Which bank has introduced Kotak FYN, a new enterprise platform developed exclusively for business banking and corporate customer? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is Kotak Mahindra Bank. So recently the Kotak Mahindra Bank has launched Kotak FYN, a new enterprise platform designed specifically for business banking and corporate clients. So the customer of the bank can utilize the portal to conduct all trade and service transaction. Okay.